In the world of knives, few have captured the imagination and versatility of the folding karambit knife. Born out of the ancient weapon of Southeast Asia, the karambit has undergone a transformation, combining tradition with modern design to create a folding variant that has become a favorite among knife enthusiasts and practitioners alike. With its unique curved blade, ergonomic handle, and compact form factor, the best folding karambit knife embodies both practicality and style. Whether you're an avid collector, a martial arts practitioner, or simply someone who appreciates finely crafted tools, the folding karambit knife stands as a testament to the seamless blend of art and functionality. Join us as we explore the features and qualities that make the best folding karambit knife a standout choice in the realm of edged weapons. 5. Samior Small Penguin Damascus. The Samior Small Penguin Damascus Mini Karambit Knife is a compact and versatile folding pocket knife. It features a 1.38 inches claw VG10 blade with a thumb hole for easy opening. The handle is made of rosewood and incorporates a liner lock for secure usage. With a closed length of 6.7 cm and an overall length of 9.7 cm, this knife is designed to be extremely small and convenient to carry in your pocket or backpack. It can even be used as a decorative keychain. The ergonomic design of the handle ensures a comfortable grip. The knife comes with a leather sheath and a lanyard hole, allowing you to hang it on your belt or backpack. It is a handy tool for various outdoor activities such as camping, hunting, hiking, and adventures. Additionally, it makes for an ideal gift for friends, family members, or individuals who enjoy hunting, fishing, or camping. 4. CRKT Provoke First Responder. The CRKT Provoke Morphing Karambit is a groundbreaking folding knife that revolutionizes the concept of a traditional karambit. Designed by Joe Caswell, this knife incorporates kinematic technology, enabling instant and seamless extension and retraction of the blade with a simple press of the thumb. Unlike other folding karambits, this design ensures that your fingers are always out of the blade's path, eliminating the risk of contact. In addition to its innovative deployment mechanism, the CRKT Provoke offers several unique features. The pocket clip sits flush with the blade, preventing it from getting caught on objects. The clip can be easily opened for secure attachment to a pocket, equipment vest, or belt. The ornamental design of the pocket clip allows for discreet and inconspicuous carry in any situation. 3. TAC Force TF945 BK Spring. The TAC Force TF945 3-inch spring-assisted knife is a reliable and resilient folding knife designed for one-handed operation. It features a 3-inch blade made from 3CR13 stainless steel with a partial serration and a black finish. The handle is made of ABS material and has a length of 5.5 inches. This spring-assisted knife offers quick and easy blade deployment, allowing for efficient one-handed use. The blade is designed to retain its sharpness for a long time before requiring sharpening. The handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for enhanced control during cutting tasks. TAC Force has a reputation for producing high-quality knives, and the TF945 is no exception. It is a reliable and versatile tool that will not let you down when you need it. Whether you require a dependable everyday carry knife or a tool for various tasks, the TAC Force TF945 3-inch spring-assisted knife is a practical option to consider. 2. CRKT Provoke Compact. The CRKT Provoke is a folding karambit knife that stands out with its unique design and functionality. It is marketed as a last-ditch self-defense tool for tactical operators, such as police officers, soldiers, and Marines. The knife features a black hawkbill blade made of semi-stainless D2 steel with a black titanium nitride finish. The handle is made of 6061 T6 aluminum with a black anodized finish. The Provoke's design is unconventional, with 4 articulated pieces that fasten together with bolts. It opens quickly and easily with a snap and locks into place with slight pressure on the outermost crossbar. The folding mechanism is not intuitive at first, but once mastered, it becomes easy to operate. The knife comes with a low-profile, stone-washed stainless steel pocket clip that can be challenging to open due to its stiffness. In terms of performance, the Provoke did not impress in a paper test, as it only sliced about 0.75 inches of paper before stopping. The factory edge was disappointing, indicating a need for sharpening. The knife's hawkbill blade shape makes slashing and slicing cuts easier but did not compensate for the poor factory edge. 1. Edcfans EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The Edcfans Pocket Folding Knife is a high-quality everyday carry (EDC) tool with a G10 handle and a Tonto blade made of D2 steel. The blade has been heat-treated to achieve a hardness of 58 to 60 HRC, ensuring excellent sharpness, toughness, and edge retention. This folding knife is a great gift choice for fathers or anyone who loves folding knives, as it is designed to bring a smile to their face upon receiving it. The G10 handle is made of insulation material with good abrasion resistance, moisture-proof properties, and an anti-slip finish. It has an ergonomic shape that offers maximum comfort, grip, and maneuverability. Whether you need to open a cardboard box, strip wires, cut meat, branches, or ropes, this knife will make the task effortless. The anti-slip grip ensures safety and prevents accidental cuts. With a weight of 5.29 ounces and a folded length of 3.9 inches, 120 millimeters, this EDC knife is easy to carry. It features a convenient belt clip design, allowing you to clip it onto your belt or backpack. Its compact size makes it perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, traveling, survival, climbing, and other outdoor activities. Additionally, it serves as a useful tool for indoor operations. The best folding karambit knife is a highly regarded and top-performing folding knife in the karambit style. It offers exceptional functionality and versatility while being foldable for convenient storage and carry. This knife typically features a curved blade with a sharp point and a finger ring on the handle for secure grip and control. It is designed to excel in self-defense and tactical situations. With its compact and portable design, the best folding karambit knife is a popular choice among enthusiasts, professionals, and those who prioritize personal safety.